If you really like a YouTuber like me, you should subscribe to them, but that's not enough. You also have to press the bell notification. If you don't know how to do that, then I'm gonna teach you exactly that. Stay tuned. This video is part of my new YouTube Beginner Guide Series 2020, or NYBGS 2020. The playlist link will be also in the description, so go check it out. And hey, are you subscribed to this channel with bell noties on? Well, if not, then come on in. I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to your favorite YouTubers and get notifications from them. Alright, so this is nothing too complicated. For the ones who don't know how to subscribe, you click on the red subscribe button, then you click on the bell icon, then you click on all. That's it. If you didn't know that, then you're kind of dumb, but hey, there you go. Now you know how to do that, and now do the same for my channel. Click on the red subscribe button and go click on the bell button and click all. That's it. That's simple. Please subscribe with bell notice on this channel if you haven't, and peace out.